On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody had a wonderful evening last night. We got a whole bunch of longs, a whole bunch of songs. Been crushing it. You guys are doing great. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It's a Tuesday in the grim cryptoverse. Bloody Tuesdays. It's going to be a fun one today, guys. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day. Let's jump into the charts. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you're saying good morning. Come on. Let's go, gang. Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Oh, man. This is what happens when you do like 20 pre-records every single day. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody's had a beautiful, beautiful evening. Rolling over here right now on Bitcoin. Coming into an order block buy level that I'm kind of interested in right now. VWAP as well. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. Order block first. We'll see. Solana rolling over. I was able to take, I don't know if I think the Discord was too, but I was able to take the Solana long up here while the Blue Jays played 18 innings of baseball and lost because their manager is a complete moron, but that's okay. You can't take out your best hitters early in the game if you're going into overtime. Just saying. Anyways, I'm not too happy that the Jays lost to the Dodgers last night, but guess what? That's part of it. Ethereum, flagging out. Still holding this low. Doesn't look good. Double top, roll over. We'll see. Ethereum was the tell yesterday, guys. Come on, tell me it wasn't the tell when we had the 3 SFPs with the continuation up retest of the area above and the rejection. We gave the short yesterday. We also took the long. So been crushing it as a community. Things are going really well. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful morning. We'll see if we get a little bounce today or if we want to continue to chop down to the ground. That's not for me to decide. What day is our FOMC? That's Wednesday, right? So I guess we're going to stream the FOMC tomorrow. That should be fun. That's at that's at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So that'll be fun. We'll do that. We'll do a little extra for you guys, because that's how we roll. Maybe we stream Asia tonight. Do you guys want to Do you guys want to do Asia trading tonight? Put a 1 in the chat. Let me know if you do want to do Asia tonight. Ooh, we're going to do some Asia. We're going to order a Chinese tonight. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Okay. Habar. Did you guys see Habar, man? Habar is flying, guys. Look at this thing. It is absolutely melting faces. I missed it. I did not take the Habar trade. Wow. Look at H-bar. H-bar is going to the moon. H-bar is going to the moon. Bitcoin's dying. Virtuals. Guys, Virtuals. Virtuals is dead now again. Pump and dump. Guys. Incredible. Incredible morning. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to crypto. How are we all doing? Let's say good morning to everybody. I think we're going to do some Asia tonight. Oh, yeah. If you guys had to give me an Asian name, I know AlexOCrypto would be good, but I think you guys can do better than that. Oh, man. Love our Asians, man. Asian session's been cooking lately. Like, you had a perfect balloon dog SFP last night. You had the SFP, Chernobyl balloon dog, continuation trade, Chop City, Dump City, bounce. Oh, man. Asia's looked good. And I think, maybe we can attract some more Australians, mate, to the Discord. Some Australians, some Asians, some Malaysians, some Dubaians, the whole plethora of the earth. Target audience is everywhere. What's going on, Steve Hickey? Good to see you, man. Michael Paul, Albert Rajagukuk. See, that is definitely the coolest name in all of crypto right now. The Bitcoin Bunker, Quick Smoker, Rob. What's going on, guys? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Alexandra G, Blue Collar, Maba, Wonderbar. Alexandra G, wouldn't mind if you tap that like button on the way in. It helps, guys. It does actually help. We got 180 people here. If we could just tap the like button really quickly, that'd be really cool, man. I'd really appreciate that. Daniel, Wonderbar, Karim. Good morning, Chief Vlog, Caesar. Call me Dave, Bearded Mac, Mike Whitty, Mark Gustafson. We don't want to grow too much, though, man. Imagine saying I would be saying good morning, and then it would be 10 o'clock, guys. Crypto Assassin, what's going on, family? Good to see you, bro. Bunker, just been taking a few more chips off the table. He sees lower prices. Go. Good, man. Good. Always pay yourself. No problem taking profits, man. No one went broke doing that. Paul Hindenburg, what's going on, bro? Floating around. Async, my man. Isaac, good to see you. Wonderbar. You have the partner. 500K dream life partner. Guys, I'm telling you this. You'll get the 500K if you have the dream life partner. Easy. 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 Okay, my wife is go Dodgers. Steve Hickey, I do like you, but you guys got gifted a run by the umpires last night. So I'm gonna put you in a 1-minute timeout just to let you think about what you're saying right now. You coming in my stream saying go Dodgers. I love you, bro, but come on. Let's licking the wounds still, man. Don't throw salt in it. I love you, bro. Denelli Dean, good morning. French Toaster, Primavera, Everin, good morning. Bullish Bob, good morning. Good to see you, bro. Wave Cypher, Thara, Crypto Dog, Curtis Hill. Got the dream partner in the Discord, which means I'm pre-rich. So yeah, 50 years plus. Let's go, Async. Mortimer, good to see you, Crypto Rob. Curtis Hill, Wonderbar. Good morning, Cajun. Haiza. Dusty, Frank, good morning. Space Shuttle, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Blair Stevenson, Gear, Billy Baines, Guten Morgen, gang, Krakenwagen in the Krakenhausen, and Dankeschön. Schnell. That's all I got, man. That's my German. Nailed it, right? Mike Whitty, look at all these people. Look at all these people. One's in the chat. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We all want an Asia session. I want to see what you guys saw for my come on, man. The umpire called it. This is the box. This is the box, and the this was a strike up here. Bo Bichette walks off first. Bo Bichette walks off first, gets tagged out. Then they hit a double. It would have been first and third, first and second. It would have been first and second. Okay, it would have been first and second with a double to right. Bo would have scored. We would have been up another run. But the umpire called this a friggin' strike. Absolute joke. Anyways, don't get me started on how bad that umpire is. I do Asia thing every day. I moved to Thailand. Cool, man. The amount of money you could stretch out in Thailand would be pretty cool, man. BC Pork Corp, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Mike Whitty, Philly Skills. Big ups. Wagwan. Mr. Cockatoo. What's going on, Cockatoo? Good to see you. Crypto24. Massey, Crypto Dog. What's going on, man? We have a Greek. I love the Greeks, man. I've been to Santorini. Greece is beautiful. Aussies are smart to invest in crypto. That's it. Spoiler. Yeah, we all know why. Control. Anyways, Irene, good morning, Honda. Cyrus, Randy Taylor, good morning. Ando Pancho, Honda Man, good morning. Paul Caruso, gang, doggy dog, Irene. E Ventures, Dusty with the baseballs. Not everyone needs a dream life partner. You could have a dog, which is fine. Dogs are cool. They listen most of the time. Local CME gap. Here we go. Guys, we're getting the CME gap. Good morning. BC Pork Corp. God bless you, bro. Thank you for becoming a baby otter. My man. How you doing, bro? Sorry I wasn't able to come on Sunday. I just... Family day, man. Saturday and Sundays, it's like... If we're doing it, we're doing it. If the boy has had his nap, it's family time. It's like law. It's law in the AlexOCrypto household, man. So I'm sorry I wasn't able to come through Sunday. We could try again on the weekdays. I'm free on weekdays. Everin, Lurker. Kristen, Lurker. Lurkers, man. Look at all these lurkers in the chat, guys. So many lurkers. Sorry, Steve. I had to do it, bro. Melissa, cheers for the cheating team, too. I'm still upset, guys. We should have won. The umpire stole a run from us. I'm sorry, Melissa. The umpire stole a run from us. We might see a bounce at VWAP? Yeah, we might. Yeah, for sure. Bo Bichette sounds like a Star Wars name, yeah. Bobo is an awesome shortstop, man. Awesome. Everyone, please like the stream for Alex. Thank you, D-Crypto. Appreciate it. I appreciate you guys liking the stream, guys. Farhad, good to see you, man. Cyrus, Wayne C. All these Discord members, man. Spoon feeding galore. K-Pack, good to see you as well. Melissa. I slipped yesterday and overtraded and lost 5%, but I'm back. Good to see you, man. Yeah, it happens. It's minimizing those risks. Let's make some money. Absolutely. So we're chopping down here, probably enticing. You get a little dump like this and everybody gets all puckered and scared. Solana coming down. Yeah, looking to come here, lose this low. Well, we could SFP right now in Solana, so let's just watch this. Looking at ETH right now, Balloon Dog, okay. A very clear Balloon Dog. So retest the previous lows. All right, hasn't lost the momentum yet. You could see a sweep and go, but very flat here on Ethereum. It has come down quite nicely here. Bitcoin as well. You can see the 4 drives, a bold bullish divergence here. Wild. wild. Bitcoin SFP into our buy box last night. Continuation out. We took Solana last night. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you everybody for being here. 230 people in here. A whole bunch of viewers. You guys are crazy, man. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. 79 likes. I think we can do a little bit better, but that's cool, man. That's cool. Let's continue to run through this. Thank you for being here and subscribing, hanging out. So what do we have here? Bitcoin, obviously, Sunday pump into dump. Okay, like a very pathetic, weird, kind of spiky-haired Bart Simpson. Okay, hasn't lost this low yet, which is a good sign. We got long here on the weekend, so I wouldn't be surprised if people are still in this trade from here, which would justify us coming back down into here. But we do have a key level here at 113 that we would look to hold on Bitcoin. So we'll see if that continues to do so. We had a clear rejection level up in here yesterday, and that played out quite nicely. I did not take the short. I did take the long up, and happy days. Now, when you start to get this, okay, this typically asks for at least a golden pocket retracement, especially when it's a sporadic move out. So we are looking for a 1, 2, 3 down into here, but an SFP would be the nicest in my opinion. If we grab some liquidity and pucker everyone and then bounce out aggressively, that would be the best. Okay, the best. However, right now we can see a little bit of exhaustion and rounding top here. So we got rounding bottom, rounding top, which means indecision. Okay, so we're chopping at the bit. Okay, choppy means we need to be patient. Can we bounce off VWAP here? VWAP order block right here. We'll see if we do bounce out of that. Okay, you can see the order block. There you go. So can we get a little slap and go? Yeah, that'd be cool. Okay, can we continue to put in a higher high, higher low on a higher term time frame? Come back, retest, and continue? Absolutely. Are we going to hit the golden pocket order block area here, retest to previous lows, volume area? Possibly. So where are we right now? We're pretty much in the hot dog zone, right? So patience. Am I gonna have to tell you to be patient, or are we just gonna FOMO in here? Overextended a little bit here on our oscillator, so this could look to push up. I do like how aggressive this is, because this could lead to a V-shaped recovery on Solana quite easily. But Solana V-shape rejection, can I just say V-shaped recovery bearishly? I don't know how to say, and this is a V-shaped recovery. What the do you call this? A V-shape discovery? A V-shape rejection? I'm not sure. You guys tell me in the chat. What would we call the V-shape recovery, but in the opposite direction, going down? You guys, V-shape retracement. I never know, guys. Triangle rejection. My God, I think we call it just an A-shape recovery. What about an A-shape recovery? Because we got V, this would be an A, right? An A-shape recovery? Have we just nailed it? I think we nailed it. What's going on, Randy Hipper? Good to see you. How you doing? How you doing? How's life? How's the crypto world treating you? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Kicking ass, taking names. You know how we roll. Showing up, streaming every day. The grind is real. The grind is real, but you know, it's worth it. It's worth it hanging out with all these crazy otters. I always have a good time. Always. We do have a couple of things concerning me in the good old stock market here, guys. Back in my day in the stock market, we can see that we're very overextended here, and we are sweeping the high currently on our Nasdaqian. Currently, very overextended. Okay, which does mean we could correct, which would be nasty. Same with the SPX, the SPY. All right, look at that thing. Two big gap energy all the way up, guys. Never a good time. Never a good time here. But up only, right? Up only. So maybe gold went, then stocks are gonna go, and then crypto will go. Maybe we'll just be last in line. Who knows? Who knows? Just buy HBAR, guys. That's the non-financial hobbit advice I have for you guys. Just buy HBAR. A-shape recovery. Why would they even pitch to Otani? Why would they even pitch to him? Alex, you guys have some amazing players. That's it, man. Yeah. Too bad our manager doesn't know how to use them properly. 18th inning, Toaster. To the 18th inning. And we had second and third, 2 outs. And we struck out in the top of the 18th. And then Freeman hit a home run. And that's why I'm tired this morning. Cone shape correction. I like that. Cone shape correction. We would have to draw like a circle on the bottom to emphasize that it's a cone head. What a movie. The Coneheads. Did you guys watch the Coneheads as kids? Put a 1 in the chat if you've watched the Coneheads. Guys, this is classic TV. This is the good stuff, man. I think our generation was just sick, or like still on like an acid trip from the 80s, man. You can't forget it, can you? You can't. It just makes you curious. It just makes you. It just makes you curious. They're like, I gotta go and watch this movie. This looks fucked up, right? Right? Like, it's just it just makes you curious, man. That's it. Oh man, rolling over here, coming into VWAP, buy level here. We'll see how it reacts. Good patience, everybody. Solana sweeping. Oh, don't you slap. Don't you slap, bro. Don't you slap and go. Considering along here. It'd just be up to these lows, but it's very slow, guys. You gotta hit it, man. You gotta hit it. Don't be namby-pambying around my little VWAP here, guys. What the heck is this? No trade yet. Still waiting. It's gotta come. It's gotta come lower. Trigger wave 12 minute. Yeah, it's gotta come lower. No trade yet. Still waiting. Of course, it's gonna front run me. Don't you front run me, man. This is some conehead price action. Are we seriously gonna have all the alerts? The Discord knows about the alerts. I'm gonna go and hide all my alerts. I can't give you guys the trade setups from the Discord, guys. It's just not fair to the people who pay for the premium product. Okay, it's just not fair. I can't be doing that to you guys. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm such an arsehole, aren't I? Such an arsehole. Why don't you just tell us all the setups from the Discord? Why don't you just let us know? Anyways, I'm changing it. You can unsubscribe and say this guy's a douchebag. Oh, what a guy. What a guy. I gotta move those alerts, guys. You just have to. It's just not right. The People's Channel. All right, we're back here. Looking for the VWAP slap, everybody. Mm-hmm. Some really good volume in that wick. That's some big volume energy, man. Randy, have you watched the Coneheads? That would be way before your time. Nambe Pambe. We love you. But you gotta watch the Coneheads, man. Melissa, good to see you. I'm still mad at you Dodger fans, okay? Vegas Claw, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Jesse, Steve. Open your mind. Buy the sweep. We're not buying this yet, man. Just it's enticing, but it hasn't fully hit the VWAP yet. Revenge of the Nerds. That was one. Yeah, that was pretty good. Revenge of the Nerds. I got lots of Dodgers fans in my stream. I don't know about this. Of the cones. It's wild. It's I don't know, Randy. I don't know if you should watch it. It's probably stupid, but it was cool back in the day, man. Weird science. Have a wonderful day, V Monitor. God bless you, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Good to see you, Jesse. How you doing? Billy Baines. Wick's wife, 589. I'd like to long this, but guys, it didn't hit the VWAP. I'm not taking it. I'm waiting. Soy Boy Lana losing the lows. Solana's coming here. So Lana's coming here. We're gonna start trading Asian. Nobody put my Asian name in the chat. If you guys want me to, I need a. Would it be bad if I if I got chat AI to make me look Asian for my thumbnail when I trade Asia? Google AI. What is it? Nana Banana? Banana Nana Nana? What is it called? Google Studio. All right. Nano Banana. I go to this guy, right? All right, we're going to add my thumbnail. Upload thumbnail. Make the person in this photo, in this thumbnail, look Asian. No trade. Still waiting here. Google's so going to ban me. Make the person in this thumbnail look Asian. This is I will use this thumbnail if it's good. That's not Asian. That's not. Come on, that's not Asian. Nah, man, you failed. Who's a look like Jackie Chan? No trade yet. Still waiting here. It's not letting me run it. Upload file. Make the person in this photo look similar to Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan's the man. Let's see what it does here. That is Jackie Chan. That's not me. That's Jackie Chan, man. Guys, they front run VWAP. Guys, best Jackie Chan movie. Go. Rush Hour 2. Rush Hour 2, man. Rush Hour 2. My favorite Jackie Chan movie. What is your favorite Jackie Chan movie? Drunken Master is good. Yeah. Rush Hour 2 with Jamon Lee. Oh, man. AI failed, guys. City Hunter? Okay. The Karate Kid. That's an easy one, though. Jamon! It's a good push here, guys. Solana trying to bounce here. No man's land. This is like taking a doji in the African desert right here. Retest to lows. I can't believe they front ran me so hard here. It's kind of upsetting. Still no trade, everybody. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Jackie is so good, man. Enter the Dragon, yeah. Is Sui popping off as well? Sweet. Yeah. This isn't something you buy. Okay, it's not. I guess you could go doji and golfing here and buy here, but not for me. Still waiting. Soyboy Lana looks weak still. Solana needs to come here. 196.69. I didn't even purposely make it 69, guys. Okay. That's just natural AlexOCrypto, guys. I just naturally hit it like that. Okay, maybe I do a new thumbnail for the Asia session. Where can I learn to trade like you? Join the Discord, man. I'll show you everything I know. Ask the Discord. It's pretty fun in there. What's going on, Gur? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Tau is the game? Yeah, man. I show you a lot of stuff on the live streams as well, but I got over 150. I don't know how many videos are there, guys, in the Discord for you guys to get through. I bet you guys haven't even done 50% of them, guys. I've been recording teaching videos for these guys, sometimes 5, 6, 7, 8 a week. Okay, we did Solana Masterclass, Scalp. We did retest versus breakdown, trend up only. 15-minute confirmation. I mean, VWAP videos, SFP videos, orb videos, Fibonacci videos, order block videos, structure videos, volume videos, market cipher videos, mindset videos. Must videos, risk management, using your exchange, back testing, putting it all together, marking out your charts, reversals, bottoms, structure, take profit, stop losses, risk management. It's nonstop, guys. I don't have a course. You ask a question, I teach you how I do it. Ask the gang. We start every lesson. We do it 3 times a week. We ask you what you're struggling with, how we can be better, and let's address the issues. And we crush it every single time. Every single time. There's no Steve Ruggling allowed in the Discord. You ask the question, we figure it out. We get you on track. That's it. That is the key. Good discipline, not taking that long there. Let's see if we get a slap again into VWAP here. I like the trigger forming on the 12. 12 minutes still has room to the downside. Posturing starting to flatten. A little patience here, looking okay though. Looks like it could, if we do get a good slap and like recovery, that could lead into our 12. Yeah, so patience here. I like where we're at right now. Could easily come for this low down in here. So let's see what happens here. We might get an A-shape, cone-shape recovery here, guys, so be careful. I'm gonna cone man all day. Dump it. Let's go. What's going on, face, bro? How you doing? You don't like that 5-day trigger wave, face? What's going on, man? Did you win in football this week? Bro, my team is absolute dog shit. Like, so garbage. I don't even know why I play fantasy football. Why you invite a Canadian to play? You just want to take my money. You just wanted to take my money. You invite a Canadian to an American football league. So frustrating, bro. I even have MCM and I'm still garbage, man. Still garbage. I like the 5-day trigger wave, bro. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Yeah, we'll see. My charts are messed up right now. Why aren't they loading? It goes to fucking Solana. 5-day trigger. We gotta go, man. It's about time. Fire Jerome Powell. Quantitative easing. Look at that. Hanging man engulfing candle. 5-day. I probably shouldn't share all this alpha with the free live stream. The Discord loves this stuff. Ooh. Looks juicy. We'll see. Good dump though. We had sell walls up in here that we were taking, and then we also got long down in here in the Discord. So I mean, either way, we don't really care. Short-term time frame traders. Holding view up here, trying to push back. Army Piper in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you as well. Lost in the last minute of Monday night game. Damn. Yeah, because you were neck and neck. I was watching, yeah. As long as you're not a Dodgers fan, bro. Like don't just please tell me you're not a Dodgers fan. Please tell me you're not a Dodgers fan. Fucking, I've been shitting on the Dodgers all day. Blue Jays suck though. What's going on, Curtis Hill, Crypto Rog, Afghas Young? 8 breath. Are we doing a big market cipher sale on Black Friday? Is that when we're gonna do the big sale? Phillies fan? Okay. I respect that. Phillies are great. We do have amazing players, Melissa, but we have a poor manager. That's all I gotta say. MCM coming off a major injury this year. Bro, this guy's a fantasy football god, MCM. Guys, if you don't know, the channel is sponsored by Market Cipher. Has been when I was a diddly little midget. It's kind of funny. I always pay respect to the Market Cipher family for putting me on when I was such a little young pup. If you look at my trend, and I streamed for 3 years, guys. Like I didn't grow. Right? A lot of people are like, "How did you grow on YouTube?" I'm like, I just talk shit and press buttons, man. I didn't expect to grow. But what happened was there was this guy who came in and he just said, "I'll help you out, man." I don't know how you said it, Faze, but he sponsored the channel, which kind of helped me with the trajectory of my channel. And you can see it. It's actually quite quite nice. Did anybody get long off this? I just couldn't justify it. But I had like, where do I go? Where do I go in my content so I can show this shit? It's kind of cool. I can't navigate the YouTubular. Content overview, subscribers, see more. Nice pump here. Go to lifetime. I had like 1,500 subscribers. I don't know why you sponsored the channel. But there's a little crypto face blip that I'll always remember right here. I was like 2,000 subscribers, grinding for years and years and years, and then bloop. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. We do have a market cipher code down below, but I always announce the sales, guys. So if you're in the Discord, you'll hear about it. Good times, man. Never, because if I don't blame you, bro. I was shit. I was bad. Remember what my charts looked like? They were orange and purple. I felt sorry for. That's it, man. They were. I don't blame you, bro. I always use Market Cipher though. Always. Now look at me. I just made $15,000 on virtual, bro. Like, I don't even know how I did it. Right? Flipping shit. Good times. Yeah. If you go back then, man, I felt sorry for my stream too. I don't know how you even watched me then. Trading Wars. That's where you whooped my ass. I think that's where it started. Trading Wars. But then I beat you in fantasy football, bro. Only because you had a bye week on like all your players, but I still beat you in fantasy football. A win's a win, man. It's my only win, bro. It's my only win, bro. So, funny. Good times. I can't believe you beat me trading one CAD, though. I'm still scarred from that, man. Still scarred. Trading the spread on me on Trading Wars. Yeah, you did. You called that. The channel kind of just went steady after that, man. It was a nice launch pad, bro. I do appreciate it. Very humbled by it. Retest your previous lows right now. Can't believe you won. How do you trade this token in Trading Wars and whoop my ass? Like, you're just trading spread. Like, can't even search it up, man. What is this? Look at the price action. Oh shit. The fuck is this, bro? What the fuck? This is some bullshit. I don't know. That's why you're the GOAT, man. That's why you're the GOAT. Everybody, we're going to be trading one cat in honor of CryptoFace today. I don't even know if they have it on this exchange. Let me check. Does Bitunix have one cat? They don't even have it on the exchange. That's how janky it is. Fucking. Have a good day, Randy. God bless you. We'll send the gang over Friday. I wouldn't trade that with someone else's money. Check the family chat. What do we got? ETFs are up for trading. Are you guys doing... We're going to trade the Asian session. Are you guys doing Asian thumbnails for me now? Guys, that's not me. You guys are... The Discord's on fire. The Discord's on fire. We might use this tonight, guys. We might use it tonight. ETFs are trading, guys. It's live. Bro, you guys are effed up, man. You guys are real effed up. Solana flying. Oh, I don't want to FOMO here. Retest of lows. You guys, I can't believe you guys did that to my face. We're going to trade Asia tonight with that thumbnail. We have to do it, man. I'll get flagged for racism, though, man. That's the world we live in right now. You can't tell a joke. You can't tell a joke. Guys, I'm about to FOMO in on Solana or something like that. Is this the ETFs are all being launched today? What's going on? New York Stock Exchange lists Bitwise Solana, Litecoin, and HBAR and Grayscale Solana spot ETFs for trading. That's what we just got, everybody. Thanks, John Foster Crypto. I'm Alex. We are all Alex. Guys, you guys did me Asian, man. At least he looks happy. He looks happy, guys. Sell the news. It's not good, yeah. I get demonetized if I use that thumbnail. I'm willing to do it, though, for everyone's. It's annoying when you have a buy level there and it bounces nice and you get news. I like the bottoming in here with the bull divs. Money flow coming in. Looks good. Strength here. 12-minute trigger pushing out. I like that as well. Rounded trigger retest. Continuation. Still a structure says no. Money needs to keep going. Still waiting on this, guys. Don't want to force this. V-shaped recovery on Solana possibility. Still waiting here. I'm gonna be left behind, man. FOMO, NOMO. No reason to FOMO in right here, guys. Solana support resistance flip possibility here, so that's kind of what I would look for. ETH, inverse head and shoulders, balloon dog on ETH here. Trying to push. imbalance is here. Easy target. Just looking to get into here for ETH, Bitcoin. A little bit of hopium of a pump here. Nothing I'm going to... Now that we've pushed here, though, now we look for a lower high. Or higher low, sorry. And continuation out. Just waiting. A little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up the like buttons. Subscribing if you're new. 400 people here. Almost 200 likes. Let's get those likes up. 50 more likes, guys. It's never financial advice. I'm a hobbit in Canada with a polar bear. Come and get the seed phrase, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Supporting the channel. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hanging out. Taking trades. Showing you the trades. Trying to make crypto honest again. It's inevitable that we're going to be here a while trying to do that. So we got the 3-minute camel toe pattern. I prefer 5-minute. 5-minute. The 5-minute camel toe is like fire. So good. Let me see if I can find a 5-minute camel toe. You gotta have green money flow as well. Anyways, we got the 3-minute. 3 minutes on lock right now. It's more of a moose knuckle, this one. We'll see. It's a Canadian version, if you didn't know. Coinheads. Yeah, we want to watch. If you haven't watched Coinheads, man, go and check it, man. You got to. We're streaming Asia tonight, so if you guys want to come and chill, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when Asia opens, okay? Tao's ripping. Let's welcome Grandma to crypto. Guys, if you haven't seen the welcome Grandma to crypto chart, so whenever there's an ETF, so we look at Larry Finken and his grandma. I don't know why I'm talking like RFK, but if we go over here and we look at what happens when they get ETFs, okay? Why isn't my ETFs in here? Where are we here? Where are my ETFs charts? Normally we're right here. Oh, here we are. So when Grandma got introduced to Ethereum, Larry, you told me to buy your Ethereum, and it went down to $1,250. What the fuck's going on, Larry? All right. Grandma, welcome to Ethereum, Grandma. Grandma bought the top here. So look at what happens. Grandma bought the top. What happens? Grandma gets rugged. Initial, hype. Grandma gets rugged, consolidation, continuation, then actual rug, then consolidation, continuation. So look at what happens when it launches. Grandma is sad. Okay? So be aware. ETF launch. Welcome to Ethereum, Grandma. She gonna be mad at her grandson. You go over here to Bitcoin. What happens? Same thing, right? Okay? So be aware that it's a rug pull most of the time. Most of the time now. I ain't your dad. I'm not your financial advisor. You do what you want. But I'm just saying, be careful. Trying to think this is a bullish event, and then Grandma gets rugged. Okay? I FOMO'd long on Sol. Eee. Thanks for being here, Jacob. Appreciate you too, bro. Good morning, JR. Good to see you, man. Seymour Liddy. I like to trade Asia more. I got an Asian thumbnail. You guys are absolutely fire. The Discord's ridiculous. You guys are absolutely ridiculous. You're making videos now? Copyright right there. At least I'm happy, man. At least you guys made me happy. I look good as an Asian. I look good as an Asian. Let me ask my wife. Hey, Moose. I'm going to trade the Asian session tonight. And the Discord made me look Asian. Would you still marry me? Look at that. I don't think she's gonna marry me. Nice push here. Nice retest of support here on Solana. Continuation up. Looking to grab this liquidity here. Continuation trade. Crypto's all cryptos flipped green now for the day. We'll see how it goes. Thank you everybody for being here. Coming into 9 o'clock. What's the idea right now? So we're getting some ETFs. We got a trigger wave pushing up. Quite nice. Breakout, retest, trigger wave, continuation trade. And when looking at Market Cipher, I like the 5-day. Like the higher term time frames look really good, like for a pushback on Market Cipher if we're like picking it apart. So 5-day pushing back here. We also have a nice 2-day trigger wave and 3-day trigger wave. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The key here, in my opinion, on Market Cipher is for stochastics to remain solid and push above the zero line here. Okay, we still got room to grow here, and VWAP's resetting and money flows coming in, which is a good sign. But VWAP needs to hold zero line, and we need to hold zero line here in order for us to continue bullishly. We have massive, massive resistance in front of us, 116 to 117. I do expect us to take a couple tries at this and maybe pull back and then go for it. So be aware of that on our beautiful Market Cipher. Are we breaking out here, guys? Yeah, possibly. Okay. The 12-hour here is the concern, though, rolling over. So we get into like the 12-8 4-hour, right? It still needs to come down a little bit, in my opinion. We are trying to defend the zero line here on Market Cipher, but it's 8 hours, perfect retest of previous highs. Looking strong, trying to push up. VWAP's crossing over with money flow, looking okay. So that's a potential for a pushback. The 4-hour cooling off here, rolling back over, VWAP trying to come back in. Okay, so money's remaining strong. We want to see momentum curve to the upside. We can kind of front run that with our 3 and our 2-hour here. As we can see, the 3 and the 2-hour triggering back into an uptrend. So hopefully this is continuation, higher high, higher low, right? So looking for that trend to continue onwards and upwards. We'll see if we just consolidate in here would be great. And then try to break through that big barrier that we have above us, okay? If this, then that. So patience here. The hourly does look like it can trigger to the downside if VWAP pulls this down. So that's the concern right now. So I don't want to get overly bullish down here after we have changed structure this way. Okay, so this will be a retest, continuation down, rotation down, head and shoulders. Be very well aware that that's possible for today. Who knows what these ETFs are going to do. Okay, we do have a FOMC day on Wednesday, and I think Thursday is the day where Trump announces China. So we have a lot of shite going on this week, so be prepared for this volatility and scam wicks and all that stuff this week. It's all happening, coming into the end of Happy Halloween, everybody. We'll see if we do continue here. Trying to push. Solana looks good. Trigger wave here on the 12-minute. If this, then that. So right now, I'm just looking for a continuation back up into the sell wall here. This will be our golden pocket rejection retest of previous lows in here. So we'll see how it behaves up in here. Obviously, holding VWAP could have gotten long here, but it didn't slap the way I wanted to see it. So missed a trade, but that's fine. On to the next one. If you're new here, welcome. We're here 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every day. Kicking ass, taking names, taking trades, showing you guys the trades, showing you guys how we trade, how we scalp every single day, showing you guys the wins, the losses, the happy days, the sad days, letting you guys know when we enter and all that stuff. This is never financial advice. We're just a hobbit here in Canada trying to help you navigate the charts with the most amazing Discord in all of crypto. So consider joining that. That's where all the goods are. But thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. If you are new here, I do require you to do one thing, and that's say good morning. Don't be effing weird. Okay, say good morning. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, all that good stuff. Thank you for your education on Discord. A must for everyone. God bless you, Patrice. I appreciate you being in the Discord, man. What's going on, Lunar Beach? It's good to see you, man. FOMO to Sol a little bit. Come on, guys. You gonna FOMO into Solana? Solana, lana, long. Solana, lana, long, 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 long. East looks best, man. Look at this. Balloon dog. Inverse head and shoulders. Easy liquidity sweep target. And then it'll dump, okay? I ain't doing it. I ain't gonna FOMO on the top. It's not a setup for me, man. You can't trade. You're gonna do this 500 times, and over 500 times you're gonna win 3 times, and then the rest you're gonna lose. King Future, good morning. Good to see you, man. Alexander G, flat smack. Grandma rugged me with hat. Slam Banjo. Steve Hickey, good morning. Mab, good to see you. Now you need an Asian jingle. It'd be the AlexOCrypto song with a jingle. Asian Alex is so funny, but a little racist. Love it. I mean, everybody's a little bit racist. They just don't admit it. Not racist, but, you know, like stereotypes, man. Like, if that's what makes culture. Like, culture's cool, man. Like, stereotypes, like Asians can't drive, you know, nothing. And in my opinion, there's no worse than like absolute like trailer trash white people. Like, I think that's the epitome of humans. Okay, in my opinion. Like, if you had, I'm gonna go here. You that pathetic, and you had like a 300-year head start of the colonialism and all this stuff, and you're still that stupid, man. You really effed up, man. You really effed up. Okay. Stereotypes are hilarious, man. Like, there's white people in my neighborhood, guys. I've never seen, because I grew up like downtown Toronto, like near the hood and stuff. So it's like, for me, there's these white people. Cross country. This is what white people do when they have too much money. When they have too much money. Losers, man. The biggest losers. Have you ever seen? This is what white people do right here. Cross country skiing on pavement. They wear the grape smuggling shorts. They're smuggling grapes in these shorts, guys. Look at the shorts, man. Dude, get some rollerblades. Get a bike. Are you for real? Losers, man. I should have FOMO'd into Solana, guys. I should have FOMO'd into Solana. Pencil necks. That's what they are. I mean, like the common sayings, white man can't jump. Facts. Okay? There's some that can. Statistically, facts. Okay? Right? Asians math is facts. That is a great stereotype to have. Please do my homework, right? Like, come on. Get over yourself. You're not perfect. You judge people. That's the first thing you do. As a human being, you sit here and you're walking down the earth, okay? You used to encounter saber-toothed tigers. These saber-toothed tigers used to come at your ass and they used to eat you. The first thing you're doing, your eyeballs, you're judging You're judging immediately. and God willing, I get better at this. But you're always judging. You're seeing if the saber-toothed tiger is going to eat your ass, man. If the saber-toothed tiger is going to claw your ass to death, okay? So naturally, as human evolution goes on, you're just judging everything as you go through it, right? And when you see something happen over and over again, that stereotype, you're naturally going to assume that's going to happen because it's happened over and over again. That's just normal. Anyways, I'm on one today, man. Go watch Coneheads. Let's trade. And judge me too. I'm a white dude from Canada who loves playing ice hockey. I even call it hockey. I don't even call it ice hockey. Okay? Press buy. Anyways. And I mean, and the reason I think why I'm just like, it's not racist, because like in my school where I grew up in Toronto, there was about four classrooms in my grade, like a big school, right? 30 kids per class. And out of all those kids, out of 120 kids, there was 3 white kids. Okay? In Canada, Toronto. Like my best friend was Naroshan Sarweswaran from Sri Lanka, right? Zardar Khan from Pakistan, right? Linda Ban from China. So like, get over yourself, man. Get over yourself. I'll show you my school picture, man. You can see me. I'm the one glowing. Okay? I'm this one in the classroom. There's Alex. Okay? Here's Alex. Who cares? Love everyone. Just don't be a douche canoe. I need some coffee, guys. I'm on one. If my wife's seen what I was Alex is glowing. Making crypto honest again, baby. AlexOCrypto.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That a flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
song over? I'm holding my son here. Say hi. Say hi. Say yes. Do you want to go to the park today? Say yes. No? Say yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say yeah. Can I get a hoya? You gonna say hoya? Hey, buddy? Say, do you want this? Say yes. Yeah. Dad's coffee's watery, so he has to make a new one. SFP on Bitcoin. Say yes. Are we gonna go to the park today? Yeah. I love you. Oh, you excited? Yeah? A blah. A blah. A blah. I love you, Max. Thank you. All right. Sorry. My coffee's all messed up. I don't have one. My wife's making me one because she's a sweetheart. I don't want to leave you guys for too long. Guys, I should have FOMO'd in. That's it. The one time it would work. But would it work? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Sorry for my comments. I've calmed down now. My son does say hoya. Can I get a hoya in the chat? Everybody gonna put a hoya? My son goes, oh yeah. he's the best, man. Alex glows himself to the mirror. Alex enjoys a good glowy. You get the glowster. You guys are messed up, man. You guys are messed up. Oh man. You guys are all messed up. DM in Discord. Oh. Thanks, BioMax. I appreciate you, bro. Have you clicked the like button yet? Yeah, I've just like totally exposed myself as a racist, but I'm not a racist. Anyways, if you know, you know. Making crypto on a stand. Oh yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. The kid's probably better. I mean, my kid's taken 3 trades. He's 3 for 3. Yeah, he's pretty good. Everybody put a 1 in the chat if you're long, and I'm just an idiot for not longing this. Damn. Push Solana. You guys are all long, right? 1's in the chat. Long but not confident. Thanks, wife. What? Oh. Yes, please. Thank you. Long but not confident. Long but not confident. Long and strong. Okay. Look for a retest of previous highs here, possibly. Bitcoin getting rejected at our sell wall. No trade yet. Still waiting. Waiting for a pullback on possibly Solana. Ethereum looking good as well. Pullback on ETH coming back into 41.20. Looks toppy. Toppy and poppy, man. Toppy and poppy. Solana looks the best. Cone shape recovery. Pushing here on Bitcoin. All right. Looking good here. Retested previous highs. Continuation trade. NASDAQ continues to rip, man. This looks good as well. FOMO Nomo. Didn't come down here. Retest of order block. Continuation trade here. Solana. Solana come back for a slap? That would be cool. Still waiting here. Bitcoin sweep and go? Sweep and go or no? Look at that, into our sell wall here on Bitcoin. Thank you everybody for being on the live, supporting the channel, subscribing if you're new. 400 people in here. I probably scared off like 30 people. I probably lost at least 50 subscribers there for being real, which is fine. Sorry if I offended anyone. I don't mean to offend. I'm actually I don't know what I am. I'm just trying to be honest, man. Some people don't like it. Some people will sit there and think about it and they won't talk about it. I think that's worse. I think that's worse. Because you're just lying to yourself. You're just lying to yourself. At the end of the day, we all God's people, man. That's it. We're all God's people. Amen to that. God bless you all. John Foster Crypto. God bless you, man. I got Rug, Lurker. Bearded Mac Mike. Yes, let's go. Albert, let's go. Acinda, let's go. Sky, let's go. God bless, man. Thank you so much, John Foster Crypto. Only one Lurker. The rest are all family, man. Cool. Let's go, babe. That shit was funny. That's it, man. I'm only here for your personality. Great. Today's Piper Academy show title. 28 government shutdown. Is that like 28 days later? Alex is a nice guy with a shotgun in the mountains. It's not far from the truth, man. It's not far from the truth. Stalling out here. I'd like to see it come down here in continuation up on Soy Boy Lana. Biddy still pushing, man. Biddy still pushing. No trade for AlexOCrypto coming into our sell wall here. Doesn't really give two smacks about it, man. I might have to FOMO in on Soy Boy Lana. Coming into market open. We got 12 minutes, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the channel. Supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons. Almost 200, man. Almost there. Almost there, guys. Bitcoin's flying. Let's go, Bitcoin. Is this all because of that news? We're in our sell wall. People FOMOing in at the top right here. I would look for a retest and continuation if we're going to get it. That's me. Same with Solana. Ethereum breakout retest. NASDAQ. Okay. Cooling off a little bit on the NASDAQ. SPY. We'll see how it gaps. I guess it's going to gap up again. Incredible. We had the buy level at the VWAP. Didn't take it this morning. Should have. Could have. Didn't. And that's fine. We don't revenge trade. We try to remain patient. Set the new trap. Look for continuation. See if we can get it. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a rejection up here. Golden pocket area. I guess I'm spoon feeding everyone but myself today, which is fine. I feel like I'm quite large on the screen today. Don't be apologetic for being real, bro. F you. Them, F you. Effers, Stifler voice. By the way, I heard your president is dating Katy Perry. Prime Minister, yeah. Absolute todger. He's pregnant with her baby. That's the joke going around right now. That's the joke. Considering a long on Solana. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you. My wife brought me coffee. My wife's better than your wife. I wouldn't say that. Your wife is perfect for you. For you. And you and you and you. All right, push. Push. I'm long on Solana. Let's see. Let's see if it does push, man. It's a risky trade. Risky trade. Let's see if it does want to pop off. Come on, soy boy Lana, push. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let's see if it goes. We got follow through on Bitcoin. It's got to go. It's got to go. Push, push, you namby-pamby. Come on, man. Come on. Take most of it off there. It's a FOMO trade. Stop loss to entry. GG's in the chat. See if we want to continue to push here, everybody. Could I get a GG's in the chat? Oh, man. I mean, I liked it coming back into this area here. You can see the sweep and continuation follow through on Bitcoin. So, I mean, at least we waited for that. Buying momentum, right? So, you're wrong if it goes below this low. At least we had an invalidation point as well. Okay. Look for it to come for this high here. Got fair value gap here. This is probably where I would take profit again. And get mostly out here. Tops, fair value gap. Full take profit at the high. Finito. See if it wants to continue to push here, everybody. Thank you for being on the show. Making crypto honest again, as usual. Taking trades, taking names, taking ass, kicking ass, whatever it is. We're here for it. I better see a lot of GGs for my my FOMO trade. It's a justifiable FOMO trade, right? You had the sweep down. You have the continuation here. Looking for follow through, right? Coming into market open. Bullish momentum. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, man, who doesn't like a good old $400 to start the day, man? Good job. Who doesn't like a good old $446, guys? Starting the day off right. Valhalla, baby. Let's go. Leave a runner. Look at all these beautiful people in here supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons. My God, you guys are great. Thank you for FOMOing with me if you took the trade. Give yourself a pat on the back. This is never financial advice. We're just some dang hobbit in here talking smack, being, I wouldn't say being a racist. We'll say we're being a stereotypist. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. We're doing the Asian session tonight, guys. That's what started it off. You guys are always on. I can't believe you Asian. We're doing the Asian session tonight, guys. Be prepared for the new AlexOCrypto thumbnail. Let's go. You guys are horrible people. I love you. I can't wait to trade Asia with you guys, man. I can't wait to trade. Oh, I can't wait to can't wait to trade Asia with you guys. Bitcoin continuing to push right through our sell wall. Okay, strength, momentum, looking good. Thank you everybody for supporting the channel. FOMO into Soy Boy Lana here. Little sweep down, right? Continuation trade, looking to come for the highs now. Mostly out of the trade. Taking trades, showing you the trades. If you are Asian and I offended you, I'm sorry, man. Gung hei fat choi. Le homa, ho ho, lesel joma, yeah. Yet ye some say, look, chat bad guts up. That's what happens when you grow up in little Chinatown. You learn how to count to 10 in Cantonese. You know, you say, le homa, ho ho. How are you? I'm good. So joma, yeah, what are you doing? I know all the swear words too. I won't go down that avenue. Okay? I'm cultured, baby. I'm cultured. If you know, you know. Put a 1 in the chat if you know what I said, right? You guys know. Right? Sri Lanka, Vanakkam. Three is Sam. Yet ye Sam say. He said Happy New Year. Alexander G is like, what the just came out of his mouth. Probably gonna get stopped out here on Soy Boy Lana. Soy Boy Lana trying to push. Quick $450. 2 minutes till market open. Thank you everybody for being here. GG's everybody. Can we pay our subscription in yen? No, we don't have the conversion rate equals more you. What do you think of ETH? ETH we said bullish. Right from the beginning we said double bottom, bull flag, continuation trade. Looking to come for the imbalance up here. Target almost hit. So, looking good. Bitcoin climbing. NASDAQ looking strong again. Looking for the gap up here. Big gap energy here on our beautiful S&P. Massive moves here. We're long Solana right now. Just chilling. Looking for a continuation here. Bitcoin to the moon. Gave the long to everyone down here. Discord's on fire. Kicking ass. Taking names. Up only. Let's go, baby. 15 seconds. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's go. We all long, strong like Donkey Kong. Let's keep this thing pushing, baby. Push it, Nambi Bambi. Is it too late to enter? Yes. Especially going into market open. You wait to enter going into market open here. I mean, you could FOMO in, but you're looking for pullback. I actually entered on the only pullback in this whole way up. Push, 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 pullback. Go. I would be looking for a pullback again. NASDAQ opening up bullishly. That means caution. SPY opening up bullishly. Still caution. Solana coming back down. Probably going to stop me out here. Solana going to stop me out here. Coming back down. Right? That's why we don't long up here. Solana going to stop me out. Oh, should I add to the trade? Nah, don't add to the trade here. I'll actually raise my stop loss so it actually doesn't cost me anything to exit here. Solana coming right back down. That's a GG. So, man, that's a FOMO $400, man. So, happy days. Bitcoin chopping at the top is fine. SPY gapping up, rolling over. Oh, Solana holding here, continuing to push on Solana. Okay, didn't get stopped out here. Can it continue? Still waiting here. Bitcoin, in my opinion, needs to come in here. Coming back for late longs like me. That's fine. I don't mind. Take the money and run. That's why we pay ourselves aggressively in this push here for that little scalp. And stopped out here, guys. Gonna get stopped out. Oh. Guys, don't tell them. Don't tell the market maker, guys. Don't tell them. Don't tell him. Don't tell him that he just missed me. Don't tell him. Please don't tell him. Don't tell him. That's hilarious. Take the money and run. That's the way, man. Sri Lanka. Vanakkam. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Jet Fleet. What do you think of NASDAQ this opening? Overextended, needs to cool off, but that's what we've been saying for forever. So, continuation. Continuation across the board. Bullish, bullish, bullish. S&P opening up bullish, coming back, reclaiming, and looking to continue upwards. Solana pullback, continuation trade. Still in the Solana trade. See if it does want to continue here. Bitcoin, chopping at the top, pushing up. Continuation trade here on Bitcoin, continues to push up into the liquidity of the highs in here. So we're more interested in the high of this red box here. This is very much up only. Strong momentum. If you are long from the lows right now, you don't really have to close this until momentum breaks here. We just continue to push. Solana, same deal here, continuing to push. Very nice. Okay, very, very nice. Trying to hold and trying to push. Up, down, all around, man. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit here. Probably going to get stopped out here. There we go. Come on. Really? They're going to do it twice, guys. Are they going to do it twice? Oh, no. There we go. All right, GG's in the chat. Let's go, baby. Looking to get into another one. Lots of liquidity below us. Let's be patient here. Let's wait for a retest. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We're here live, taking trades every single day. Join the Discord. That's where it's at, man. Looking for a retest in here. At least we don't have to change the thumbnail if we do the London session, right? Right, Massey? It's not Vanakkam. It's Tamil. We call Ayu Bowen in Sinhala. Awesome. That's cool, man. Ayu Bowen. Sri Lanka says Ayubowan. In Siamese, it's national language. Wanakam is Tamil. It's a secondary language. Oh, cool. I didn't know that. GG's. Ayubowan. Is that correct? Ayubowan? So is like Tamil frowned upon? Do you guys not like Tamil? Is that like you guys just like don't like your other language in your country? That's like us hating French in Canada. The Québécois. I like French. French is beautiful. Still waiting here, rolling over. Good little liquidity grab coming back in here. And get rid of this. This is just distracting. Order block retest continuation out. NASDAQ topping out, rolling over. SPY rolling over. Solana coming back in. Out of that trade now. Rolling over. Okay, so make sure you guys pay yourselves. Steve Hickey, good to see you, man. Sorry for muting you, man. I love you, but I was still licking the Dodger wounds, you know. Tool, good morning. Jet Fleet, good morning. Saphir, good morning. I only speak America. Nice push here. Continuation, trying to push back. All right. Up only, man. This is bullish, but very aggressive. No trade on Bitcoin here. Order block retest continuation trade. Discord, you could have taken our order block rules based setup on that puppy down here. For a scalp, up only, order block, retest, continuation trade. Still not, just like to see lower. I'd like to see like consolidation here, at least, and then go. I can't believe you guys made me Asian. Nice push here. Solana trying to hold as well. Resistance here for Solana, so might just... this is very sketchy place to kind of take a trade, in my opinion. Ethereum, yeah, look to come back into here. Nice push. Can't believe the VWAP front ran us this morning, guys. We'd all be just chilling long. But I know a lot of you guys are chilling long. If you guys are just chilling long, congratulations. GG's. You can put a 1 in the chat too. If you are chilling long and making good money. I'd like to recognize those people who took the trade, who's managing their risk and hopefully doing well. I'd like to celebrate. Trading's not easy. If you're winning, you know, you're one of the few. Can you win over time? That is the question. That's the hard part. Short-term success is not success in trading. We put it that way. No short right now. Patrice, still waiting here. You buy strength, right? You buy strength, you sell weakness. Always. So like always understand, what is this? This is clearly strength, right? Right? So you want to buy that momentum. You can see buyers are stepping up CVD. Look at CVD. Right? Buyers just coming in, right? So clear strength, right? So you're trying to wait for the buyers to chill, then you buy the strength back in. Boom. Get paid, right? Right here, we're chopping the top. There's no trade to be had. Okay, the trade was in here. We wait. Consolidation Solana, consolidation Ethereum. Anybody got the ticker for the new Solana ETF? Is that out? Is that out today? Anybody?
Typing away. What the fuck? They're
Of course. Now, are they listening, guys? Tell me, are they listening? This popped up on my Twitter feed right now.
I went to Bert's house the other day. He had 8 people behind computers, just typing away. What the fuck they're doing? Emailing what?
Social media going crazy, promoting arena shows. Everyone's going nuts.
Me, no.
I don't want that in my life.
Why would you don't need it?
I don't want it.
You have a white guy.
Yeah.
You're just some average white guy. Not no offense, but you're not. You know.
With all due respect, Jamie does take the place of.
See, they're listening, man. You have white guy. You see, comes back full circle. Even Google, even Google knows. Okay. Even X knows. B Sol. Sol index BitMEX. Is it BitMEX? No, all B Sol. Here it is. Arca. Is this it here? Put a 1 in the chat if this is the Sol ETF. Is this the Sol ETF? Bitwise? Yeah, this has to be it. There's nothing else here. B Sol, New York Stock Exchange. Let's put that in the. Let's put it in the Grandma Rug Show. Here we got. Welcome to Solana, Grandma. Larry, I told you. Larry, I bought the top again. Larry, remember what happened to Ethereum? Larry, we don't want to do this again. I'm buying Bitwise this time. Larry, I'm buying Bitwise. I'm not buying your ETF on Solana. Larry, I'm hanging up now. I'm hanging up, Larry. Back to Bitcoin, guys. Larry Fink. If you don't know who Larry is, we're talking about Larry Fink, okay? Grandma. It's grandma. It's not grandma. Who says grandma? Grandma? Hi, grandma. Continuation here. Trying to push. Solana still looks weak. ETH looks strong. Told you. ETH, I told you so. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys being here. 470 people here, 213 likes, lots of new subscribers. Thank you guys for being here. Join the Discord. It's where it's at, man. Kicking ass, taking names, good fun. Thank you for supporting the channel, though. I do appreciate you guys putting up with me. No trade still. All right, we took a Solana trade, man. We got 400, man. Capital preservation. What are you gonna do up here, man? Tell me, you just gonna press buy and hope? You're going to press buy and hope for the best. We've already done that once. Let's not get burnt, in my opinion. Bitcoin pushing. Good genes. Yeah, very good genes, Larry. In the US, the Ds are silent, but strong. So you guys are strong Ds, eh? Granny? We have Nana and we have Grandma. Longing the retest of the highs. Nice. What's going on, Django? Good to see you, man. I added your new otter to the gang here, guys. Look at the gang, man. We keep growing, man. You guys are growers and showers. Look at that. Look at the new picture, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the new family photo. I even put the Montreal Canadiens guy in here, Massey. Unfortunately. It's funny, I'm the biggest otter in here, and I'm the shortest one in probably the whole gang. And there's a lot of karate masters in here, guys. There's karate, aikido, karate, jiu-jitsu. Look at all these guys. The gang will pretzel you, man. Straight up. The gang will pretzel you. I can't justify buying this, guys, okay? I did it once. Not doing it again. I can't. Bearish divergence right now on Solana. Bitcoin to the moon. Beautiful push, guys. Beautiful push. Look at this. Altcoins flying. Discord. Hopefully you've all taken those setups, because this is what we're looking for. Discord. Hopefully you've all taken those setups. Hopefully you've all taken the setups in the Discord. You're all making lots of money. Okay. Discord's the best. How many setups did we give? My God. I'm going to do it. Say ah. Say ah. I love you guys, man. You guys are effing hilarious, man. Look at this. Ripper. Retest to previous highs. Continuation trade here. Still waiting. No trade here coming into market open. Orb is in, everybody. Tight, a tight little orb. Tight orb here. Breaking out of the orb. Continuation out. Bullish orb means possible follow through, right? Entries here. Stop loss below the orb. Continuation to the liquidity of the highs. Oof. That's the orb trade setup if it was to play out. If this, then that. Okay? You're buying the top, though. Understand that. Very overextended. What you're really looking for is this thing to come to the bottom of the orb and hold VWAP. VWAP. And then that's what you're looking for, but it doesn't look like it's happening today. This thing looks like it's just going to rip. Because, Larry, I bought Solana and it's going up. Thank you this time. Why is Grandma nasally? Good job, Larry. Bitwise is better than BlackRock. Spoons in the chat. Let's go. Where does the Bitcoin take profit now? All-time highs. You're looking to come to the tops, right? You're looking to come to the liquidity. You must understand there is a massive, massive, massive amount of volume up in here. 116.5 to 117.5. big resistance energy, okay? Big resistance energy. First, you're obviously coming for the liquidity of this side, then you're coming for the liquidity of this side, so that's your target. And then massive resistance here, okay? So great trade. Pay yourself along the way, okay? Don't forget your spoon. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get bibs for the merch. I'm going to get like those bibs so that you guys can all have like an Otter Gang bib. So when I spoon feed you, you make sure you get all the profits. Too far? Probably too far. AlexOCrypto always takes it too far. There's a line, and I am on the other side of the line. Okay? Otter Gang bibs. Merch for everyone. Still waiting here, no trade. Still waiting, no trade. At this point, it's a baby bottle. Let's go. It's gonna be your like Christmas presents. Everybody in the gang gets a bib. I'm gonna take an actual group photo and do a meetup. I have a genuine question for you guys. I'm updating the merch as we speak, and I'm building a website for Black Friday, guys, so hold your horses. Top of the morning, Reggie. I'm feeling very stereotypical today. How about you? You having a cup of tea, mate? Cup of tea. You're not pronouncing the T because you drank it all. Yawanka. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you, man. Don't be such a namby-pamby. Go get your tea and biscuits. All right? They're biscuits. They're not cookies. They're biscuits. Jammy Dodgers. What's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. That NASDAQ, man. You just pressed buy lately, eh? You kicking ass, taking names on that NASDAQ. I see you, bro. Hopefully you're doing well, Reg. God bless, man. I'm considering not going to Vegas this year, man. I don't know. What's a cookie there? I don't know. Ask Arnold. Put the cookie down. Spy dumping? Yeah, it's about time, man. It's about time. That's good. Gaps filled, man. Gaps filled. You can go up here, but I mean, major gaps below. NASDAQ sweep. Bitcoin pump. Let's go, baby. Very overextended here. No trade. Very overextended. I'm gonna send you over to my my good in-person friend today, Geo. So guys, make sure you stay on the live stream, and when you get to his live stream, put a whole bunch of otters and trees in his chat. I'm gonna send you over there after the stream here. Still waiting though. Still waiting here. Solana continuing to climb here. Nice retest order block continuation trade. Overextended, obviously. Up only, man. ETH hitting targets. Bitcoin climbing. The problem with this, guys, is that once like this is overextended, and they do take the elevator down, so it's like if you are getting long up here, you must pay yourself pretty much immediately, okay? Great orb. Let's see if we hold the orb today. That would be... VWAP's pretty low, so like this could take its sweet ass time. Orb retest continuation. Big sell wall up here. Liquidity at the high here. 15.7. Patience here. Get to the chopper. Stop whining. Why is Melania pushing so hard? Maybe she's pregnant. I don't know, man. I don't trade Melania. It's a meme coin. Trump's wife. Maybe she posted an OnlyFans channel. I don't know, man. Who knows in crypto these days, man? It's insane. It's too much to... Too much. Biscuits on a toaster is an art. Yeah, absolutely, mate. And that beans on toast with a little bit of cheese. Nothing better. Nothing better than beans on toast with a little bit of cheese. And I can speak as much smack as I want because, one, my nan, my grandmother's British. Okay? And two, my wife's British. So, sod off, yo anchor. Okay? Anyways. Up only, guys. The tea is silent. No, you guys just drank all the tea. That's why I don't pronounce it. Especially where my wife's from, they say OR, like Worcester. They're from Worcester. Worcestershire, the West Midlands. OR. OR. What's OR? What's OR? OR? Reggie, you know what I mean? OR? What the hell? First time I heard her say OR? What the fuck? Yeah, carrot crunchers, exactly. Manchulian accent. Yeah, they sound like someone's grabbing their nuts, man. Pudlian. I mean, I lived in Scotland. Try to listen to a Glaswegian accent. There's a challenge. Ask Reggie about a Glaswegian accent. All right, you want to go to Glasgow. You want to hear an accent. It's a mouthful of marbles, guys. And then they go, aye. And you're like, what? Aye. Ain't nobody understanding that.
The Scottish accent is famous for being difficult to understand, but the Glaswegian accent can be even more difficult. There are words and phrases in Glasgow that sound a bit like a foreign language even, so I'm on a mission to find some people to help me translate. Okay, so I love the Glaswegian accent, and I was wondering if you could teach me some local phrases.
Well, it's very hard to bring them to mind, this is the thing. It's all right when your eyes are not going and happy as eyes. You understand?
No. You understand? No, man. No, bro. Not a Scooby-Doo. Not a bloody Scooby. And they'll take the piss. They'll do it on purpose. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. The banter is good there. The Scots got to know how to laugh because there's 0 days of sunshine there. It's still climbing, man. This is climbing. Honestly, this is FOMO city. Like, you buy the top and you risk it, or you don't, right? Like, this is, guys, I can't justify taking a trade up here. You don't want to short it because you don't have topping structure. You don't want to long it because it's just up only. You're overextended here, so you're waiting for pullbacks and you're looking to take advantage of that pullback. That's basically where you're at. I'm going to send you over to Gio. Maybe Gio has something for you. Throw some otters in his chat, guys. I got off the rails a little bit today. I apologize if I offended anybody, but you know, we hopefully shake out the weak hands on the show. I do appreciate you guys. I'll update the Discord as we go. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Tuesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.